Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips 3 new multi-purpose models for hybrid and remote work. So friend, it is equipped with all the essentials that professionals and remote workers need, and this new model will help users stay connected while improving their productivity, all at a competitive price. And friend, the Philips 24E1 and 1100A and 27E1 and 1100A are both equipped with 23.8-inch and 27-inch respectively Full HD IPS panels with frameless design, narrow borders for multi-monitor setup, and cable management system for a clean and organized workspace. The overall picture quality is mesmerizing. The IPS panel delivers vivid colors, while the 100 Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond MPRT and Adaptive-Sync offer a responsive experience with sharp and precise visual to enhance every moment, including light gaming sessions using the monitor's SmartImage Game Modes. And friend, both models come with a pair of built-in high-quality 2-watt stereo speakers to ensure a complete multimedia experience. These models also support and enhance user well-being with features such as LowBlue Mode and Flicker-free for easy on-the-eye viewing and EasyRead for a paper-like reading experience. The Philips 27E1 and 1600AE is specifically designed to improve home office connectivity while offering a future-proof solution for extra ease. This 27-inch IPS panel boasts a QHD resolution and HDR for crystal clear, lifelike images, and features a USB 3.2 connectivity with 65-watt power delivery. A single reversible USB Type-C cable connects easily. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the starting price is 94.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.